Okay guys, here we go. Everything is happening so fast.
And now to your left.
Number 5, go. Number 5, go to the left.
Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's World. Today I feature the BMW i4. I try to explain or try to give you an overview of what this car has on offer, what makes it a proper beamer, along with also offering the practicality of the EV culture that the entire nation is already embracing. So we can't ignore it, we can't avoid it. We all know that EVs are the future. So how well have BMW packed the driving pleasure and the thrill and the intensity that beamers are known for, along with the practicality of an EV? Let's find out in this review or quick fire video, as well as my driving impression across a quick gymkhana kind of a track that they had arranged back in Delhi. So first of all is the range. Now we all are curious to know how much range this car has on offer. Well, it is 590 kilometers from a single full charge. You heard me right, 590 kilometers from a single full charge, which is very impressive. What's all the more impressive is the time it takes to charge fully. Now they claim that it charges up to 80% within 31 minutes, courtesy of the 205 kilowatt charger. Now these charging stations are available selectively. So if you're looking at the standard charging time from the wall box charger, it takes around 8.25 hours to charge fully, which you can look at as overnight charging. Also, they claim that it offers around 164 kilometers range from a just 10-minute charge, which is again phenomenal. Talking about the design, it is typically BMW, reminds us of the BMW M3 with the kidney grille. The overall design is sharp and classy and elegant and sporty all at the same time. The interior is what is going to blow your mind away. It feels like you are seated in a spaceship straight from the Guardians of the Galaxy movie. The massive 15-inch display and the 12.3-inch speedo console light up to lift your mood on any given day. Boot space is well laid out. I mean, the utility spaces are well thought of. The boot space is 470 liters, which is phenomenal. The BMW i4 battery uses 100% green energy and avoids usage of the rare earth metals. So that is another quality statement that they are making. In terms of power, it still offers electrifying performance with 340 relentless ponies waiting to be unleashed. The torque is incredible at 430 Newton meters. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour comes up in just 5.7 seconds, and the top speed claim is over 200 kilometers per hour. The battery capacity is 83.9 kilowatt hour. The tires are 17 inches with a 225 by 55 tires. Price is 69 lakhs onwards. So now that I've given you a quick overview, let's take a look at my drive reaction. And talking about the drive reaction, there's not much happening there because there was a walkie-talkie in the car and I couldn't really express myself because of the walkie-talkie talking always. But it was a quick fire gymkhana run across the tricky track that they had laid down to demonstrate the handling prowess and the handling capabilities or the driving dynamics that BMW cars are always known for, and this one doesn't disappoint. So let's go ahead and take a look at the raw footage.
It is a performance oriented car, so this is smaller than a go-karting track.
Yes.
So it's like remote control race we are trying to.
Okay, tell me one thing. How was your interaction with Ajit?
Ajit sir, the most down to earth, the most inspirational person I have ever met in my entire life. and I never expected him to be so down to earth and so grounded, despite being incredibly talented. So he is a racer, he is a rider, he is a shooter. He does cycling. He does aeronautical. He knows aeronautical. Aeronautical engineering. He has done. So he is a champion of in everything. He has every reason to have attitude and ego and everything. But that's where he, teaches us, sends a clear message that it's all about living one moment at a time and enjoying every moment and being good to everyone and trying to inspire everyone around you. So he is the greatest.
Okay, so now it's a hot lap.
So there is no hard, only the temperature is hot.
Push, more throttle. Okay, and now to your left.
Number 5, go. Okay,
Okay.
So IX and interiors are കുറച്ചുകൂടെ special ആണ്. ഇതൊക്കെ recycled materials.
So now we are in the iX.
BMW iX. Yes.
The electric SUV, electrifying SUV. This is like a spaceship.
The steering wheel
is like spokeless steering wheel.
Number 5, go.
Okay, here we go.
Five, six, go.
Here we stop. But this one, the body roll is very well controlled for such a huge SUV. This was supposed to launch, and this was launched in December, but I couldn't make it to the launch because of the third wave being in full swing at that time. Now, no waves left. All waves are over.
Number 5, go.
Here we go.
I'll let you know when to do driver's seat, okay? I'll let you know when to do driver's seat. You're done, that's fine. Next time, just wait for my call, okay? Please come forward. Happens, there are a lot of cars stuck behind. Number 2. Please move. Okay, next car, go. Come forward and wait here. Don't please do a driver change.
So, first time driving the Mini electric.
First time.
Yeah, first time. It's
Even I'm going to drive for the first time.
the
Mini electric.
perfect retro sports machine. Perfect blend of retro and sports performance in perfect proportions.
The iX being such a big SUV, it's like so good to drive.
Yeah.
So much confidence actually. You don't feel that it's a big one, whether it'll turn or
You
not.
can move. Car number 3.
So now it's going to be a proper hot lap.
Let's hope.
Every time the entertainment is turning on when I'm switching it on. Okay. Alright, let's go. And to the right and now to the left.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All cars driver change, please. Car number 5, please move forward. Take a wider turn.
Okay. Driver change.